Hey guys, it's Chou-Tac. Welcome to the designsketchbook.com, and today we see 6 sketching tips for product designers. So tip 1, animate your sketches. So basically when we draw as a beginner, we tend to draw everything aligned. We try to make it perfect. Imagine you have a bottle right here that is open, and we tend to have a boring presentation but showing that the cap is well aligned on top of the bottle itself. So what we want to do to make it more interesting is just to take the cap and to tilt it. For example here, like what we can see in perspective, I tilt the cap so it makes something more lively, so more dynamic. So I add the hatching for the inside surface as a little tip to create some more contrast. So as you can see here from before, it was pretty sleepy sketch, I would say, and the other one is more like a happy sketch. So that's what you can try to do is like, when you draw your sketches, try to get a happy presentation so it makes your product much more interesting to see. On the left one is more like a technical feel, and on the right, a story feel. So for example, here, let's see you're drawing a skincare product from Dior. Your skin, let's call it like that. As you can see here, you feel like there's a movement. There is something like more like animation, more like a comics, I would say. And this is what would be more at your advantage to present to your audience. So you play with the detachable, like let's say the mobile elements of your product. Like for example, if you want to draw somebody wearing a pendant, let's make it in movement to attract attention. Or you can play with the props or the natural element, like let's say here you have some water drops around your skin product. Tip 2, draw dynamic lines. When we start sketching as a beginner, we tend to do this common mistake, is to draw by using contour only. And because we are pretty beginner, we don't know how to do, our lines are pretty shy. While in product design, what you need to do is to see things in transparency. You have to imagine that your cylinder right here is going to be transparent. As you can see, we are drawing the full ellipses. So remember the rule is see in transparency. So we will really apprehend things in 3 dimensions. And when I draw my ellipse here to draw it dynamic, don't draw it with just one loop. Draw with multiple loops so you can gain some momentum when you are drawing your ellipses. Okay? So the top ellipse and the bottom ellipse of this cylinder are going to be drawn with multi-loops. So feel free to exaggerate the number of loops when you are training. And even this trick I would invite you to try is to start by failing on purpose at the beginning, and then you carry on and you adjust. And the line here, I do not hesitate to draw beyond. See the straight line? I draw beyond that what I need, and it's really helpful for adjustment. So that's what we want to do in product design sketching. You add also some contour lines. That's pretty cool for drawing 3 dimensions. So you have the contour line that is fitting the cylinder, or even more like having a free movement, giving some more dynamism to your gesture. Okay, so both are good. So when I draw these things, this cylinder, I also add some symmetry axis, I add some contour lines, and I also add some line weight as well. So that's a common process to have some dynamic sketches. Okay, so let's do it here. Symmetry, contour line, line weight. Symmetry, contour line, light weight. And I add even here on the corner a very smooth angle that is more rounded. Let's see, the common mistake is to have this corner of the cylinder very sharp, while I can actually add this little round corner that is adding more realism to your sketches, okay? So it's kind of make it more soft and make it more solid. So the first one is okay, but it's a great product feel if you add this really little round corner. So once again, what we want to do is to create some happy sketches, something that actually is more lively. So you draw with dynamic lines, okay? So the benefit of this is you gain some sketching speed. Your drawings get also more communicative, and also it allows you to draw with imperfection. You don't look for perfection and you want to interact on top. Tip 3. Draw with your full arm. If you want to draw as a product designer, you need to master the basic shapes, such as ellipses, circles, straight lines, and I tell you everything in the designer starter kit that you can download. So I put the link in the description, so how to master your basic gesture, and you will see how to draw with the ghost drawing, draw with momentum, and how you should draw with the full arm, and not only your wrist, okay? So the basic beginner mistake is to only rotate your wrist while actually your full arm should move. All right? So I see you on the blog. Just send me your email and you will receive the tutorial step by step in the designer starter kit. Tip 4. draw the ground shadow. So a very simple tip right here is to draw with more realism, I would say. So you draw your cylinder and you add a ground shadow on it. It adds some stability, I would say. As you can see here in red, if there is no shadow, it's kind of feeling lost. You don't really know where it belongs, okay? So he's like looking for his way. Like as you can see on the left, you have stability, he has his posture. So let's carry on by doing a ground shadow, but it's more distant. As you can see here, the right one, the right cylinder, looks like kind of levitating. And that reminds me of the character of Street Fighter 2 of Dalsim when he's doing his superpower on levitation. And okay, let's carry on here. So I'm going to draw another one cylinder, but this one is tilted. Remember the rule number 1? You can tilt your products and the props. So it's like Superman, I would say, and you can draw the ground shadow that is distant below it, and it really gives some more dynamism and movement. So train with a simple little cylinder by doodling many of them. So when you learn some new tricks, some new tips, have a practice doodle time. It just takes a few minutes, but it really helps your brain to remember and to memorize. You have the move of the rotation of the contour line. You have the corner that is rounded. You can, here I did some bended cylinder if you want to add some more movement of like animation, multi-loops for the ellipses, line weight. All this will help you to memorize, okay? Memorize for your brain, but also your arm, because your arm also have a memory of form. Tip number 5, draw hatching. So in product design, we want to draw with speed and fast. You want to be efficient. What we do to draw volume is to draw with hatching. So you draw the delimitation of where you want to draw it, like the zone, and you add the oblique hatching inside. So try to avoid vertical hatching, I would say, vertical line to try to impress the volume, except for certain situations, but most of the time, try to avoid them. As you can see here, this doesn't look like a volume, but when you draw some oblique hatching, there is some abstract feeling that actually fit well for drawing with shadow and lighting effect. So when you want to draw, for example, the top of the cylinder, it looks like a hole, right? When you draw the vertical hatching, it reminds me like the scene of Sparta when it's going to kick the enemy inside the giant hole. So try to avoid this, and with an oblique hatching, you will get very flat, nice surfaces. Okay, so draw oblique hatching. Tip number 6, force perspective. So first of all, congrats for arriving at this stage of the video and practicing cylinders in volume. So you reached that level, but you still want to level up. So what you want to do to get some more attractive sketches for product designer is to force the perspective. As you can see here on the right is the same cylinder, but the perspective looks so much closer. You play with the focal of the camera, I would say. For example, on the left, it's like the cylinder is very far away, like if you're holding it in front of you. Okay, but what if it's just next to your nose, just next under your view? And you feel it that is going to be really much exaggerated. And by remind me the advertising of the Apple phones, and see whenever like they launch a new iPhone, they want you to buy and show you a beautiful focal and beautiful perspective of their phone. So this is what you want to get when you draw as a product designer. You want a star product. So yes, your sketches need to be informative, but they need to be also attractive. So here's your doodle time. Try to draw your cylinder from different perspectives and try to play with it. Like the bottom looks much smaller. So you have exaggeration of the top of it, like it's just in front of you, okay? It's like if people could grab the product that you are drawing. You want to grab it out of the screen. And here's a trick that comics are using is to add the virtual frame and having your character coming out of it. That looks like even more impressive. All right, it's time to wrap up and assimilate the 6 tips. So the first one, A, animate your sketches. So you will make sketches that looks like having a lot more energy. So the B, draw with dynamic lights. And as you can see here, you was pretty shy and you need to dare to draw and use your courage to draw much more dynamic. So on number C, you need to master your basic gesture and learn step by step in the designer starter kit. You will start with step by step, making baby step, and soon take the rocket and progress so much faster with an exponential level when you know your basics. Okay, so you will get the rocket progress. So for the next one, add round shadow, and as you can see here, it looks stable or having the levitation. For the E, oblique hatching, which is giving you for some volume, which is going to be super fast. avoid the spotlight effect. And for the F, force the perspective. You make it impress. You want to impress and seduce your audience, all right? So you want to catch their attention, and this is also what matters as a product designer. Because no matter how okay, how informative, how useful your sketch is, if nobody look at it, it's kind of missing opportunity. Because when you're going to show your product and you say, look at me, please, people may not have the time. They are busy, there are other things to do. Why should they listen to you? And since that there's actually a lot more competition that also want to be looked at, you need to have sketches that attract people's attention, so they will be the one who will come to your presentation. And this is why presentation matters. As you can see here, you thought that you was alone, but there's other designer as well, the second, a third, a fourth, who also want to be seen. All right, so remember the secret of the sketching as a product designer is to create a star product.